Well, I'm in Andaman Islands now. It's supposed to be really tropical, hot place, and yeah, this is what's this is what's happening. I don't know if you can see that, but it's absolutely chucking it down. So it's going to be nice when we get to the beaches and it's doing that, isn't it? It'll be good fun. On the beach in the rain. Nice. So as you can probably tell, it's still raining. I can't believe he's come all the way to India to get me to come and work for him again. It's ridiculous. Malcolm, leave it out, mate. Malcolm, you will follow me everywhere, won't you? Yeah, come on, yeah, yes,